DIY visual schedules for autism and ADHD routines. Welcome to today's video, where we'll guide you through creating DIY visual schedules for autism and ADHD routines. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or caregiver, this video is designed to help you build tools that foster structure, independence, and confidence. These custom schedules are a powerful way to help individuals with autism and ADHD manage their day-to-day activities with less stress and more focus. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make a simple yet effective visual schedule. Visual schedules are tools that use images, symbols, or words to represent a sequence of activities or tasks in a predictable way. They are an excellent method for organizing routines, especially for individuals with autism or ADHD, who often thrive on structure but may struggle with transitions and multi-step tasks. For many, visual schedules reduce anxiety by providing a clear understanding of what to expect. These schedules also aid in building time management skills, increasing productivity, and cultivating independence. Unlike verbal instructions, visual schedules provide consistent, nonverbal cues that can be revisited independently. This predictability helps individuals feel more in control and less overwhelmed by their daily routines. While you can purchase pre-made visual schedules, creating your own has significant advantages. DIY visual schedules allow you to tailor everything to the unique needs, interests, and abilities of the person you're supporting. Whether it's choosing personal photos, favorite characters, or specific routines, a customized approach ensures the schedule feels engaging and relevant. Another advantage of DIY schedules is cost-effectiveness. With simple materials, you can create a tool that's both functional and budget-friendly. Moreover, a DIY schedule is flexible and easily adaptable as routines or preferences change over time. To get started, you'll need a few basic supplies. Don't worry, most of these are affordable and easy to find. Visuals: printable templates, clip art, personal photos, or hand-drawn images. Cardstock or paper. For durability, use sturdy paper for printing or drawing. Laminating sheets or laminator. Optional but helpful for making the schedule reusable and long-lasting. Velcro dots or magnets. These help make the schedule interactive by allowing activities to move around. Baseboard. A corkboard, magnetic board, or even a piece of cardboard can serve as the foundation. Markers or decorative items, to label or color code the schedule as needed. Many templates and visuals are freely available online, but you can also invest in more elaborate designs if desired. The choice depends on your preferences and the level of customization you'd like. The type of visuals you use is crucial for the success of your schedule. Here's what to keep in mind. Match cognitive and developmental needs. Choose visuals that the individual can easily understand. For example, younger children may respond better to real-life photos than abstract clip art, while older individuals may prefer simple icons or labels. Reflect personal preferences. Incorporate favorite characters, colors, or symbols to hold their interest. Keep it clear and simple. Avoid cluttered or overly complicated visuals. Each task or activity should be represented clearly to avoid confusion. Personalizing visuals allows the person to connect with the schedule and makes using it a more enjoyable experience. Now that you have materials and visuals, it's time to structure the schedule. The way you organize it will depend on the routines and preferences of the individual, but here are some basic guidelines. Break down the day. Identify key activities, such as waking up, meals, schoolwork, playtime, and bedtime. Write these down in chronological order. Choose a format. Decide whether to use a linear timeline, individual activity boxes, or a checklist style. The linear format is ideal for tasks that happen one after another, while activity boxes allow flexibility for interchangeable routines. Balance simplicity and detail. Avoid overwhelming the individual by including too many steps. Focus on essential activities and keep each task visually distinct. For instance, a morning routine might include brush teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, and pack school bag. One of the best parts of a DIY visual schedule is the ability to customize it. Here's how you can make it even more engaging. Add favorite characters. If the individual loves a specific cartoon or movie, use themed visuals featuring those characters. Color coding. Assign colors to different types of activities. For example, blue for chores, green for fun, and yellow for breaks. Make it decorative. Use stickers, washi tape, or other embellishments to make the schedule visually appealing and exciting to use. These small touches can make a huge difference in how eager and motivated someone feels about following their schedule. When creating your DIY visual schedule, ensure it's functional and adaptable to daily life. Portability. If the schedule will be used in multiple locations, e.g., home, school, or therapy, opt for a format that's easy to carry, like a small laminated board or ring binder. Adaptability. Prepare extra visuals for unplanned changes or new tasks. Having free choice or unexpected activity cards can be helpful for flexibility. Interactivity. Allow the person to actively engage with the schedule by marking completed tasks or moving icons from one side of the board to another. This interaction reinforces a sense of accomplishment and keeps the process enjoyable. Once the schedule is ready, it's time to teach the individual how to use it. Here are some tips for introducing it effectively. Demonstrate its use. Show them how to follow the routine by leading them through it a few times. Start slow. Begin with a simple schedule featuring just a few activities and gradually add more as they become accustomed to using it. Offer positive reinforcement. Praise and encourage their efforts when they succeed in following the schedule. Remember, learning to use a visual schedule is a process. Be patient and consistent as they adapt to this new tool. Like any tool, a visual schedule may require adjustments over time. Here's how to troubleshoot common issues. Resistance to the schedule. If they find the schedule unappealing, involve them in customizing or choosing visuals. Forgetting to use it. Incorporate reminders and practice routines regularly until it becomes a habit. Ineffectiveness. If the schedule isn't working as intended, check if visuals are unclear, tasks are too complex, or the format is overwhelming. Adjust as needed. Regularly monitor how well the schedule is meeting their needs and make small tweaks to improve effectiveness. To inspire you, let's walk through an example. Imagine you're creating a visual schedule for a morning routine for a child with ADHD. Choose visuals such as clip art or real-life photos for tasks like wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, and put on shoes. Print and laminate the visuals, then attach Velcro dots. Arrange the visuals on a corkboard or laminated strip in chronological order. Add fun elements like a superhero picture at the top to personalize it. This simple schedule organizes the morning in a way that's easy to follow and visually engaging. Creating a DIY visual schedule for autism and ADHD routines may seem like a small task, but it can have a huge impact. By providing structure, reducing anxiety, and promoting independence, these schedules empower individuals to navigate their days with confidence. Remember, the goal is not just to organize activities, but to create a tool that helps build self-reliance and makes daily life smoother and happier. Personalization, simplicity, and adaptability are key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit. Check the description for links to free templates and additional resources to help you get started. Feel free to leave your questions or share your own visual schedule tips in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video to explore more ways to support individuals with autism and ADHD.